How to block messages from unknown contacts on WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can block messages from unknown contacts on WhatsApp. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First of all, open up your WhatsApp. Then go to your settings on the bottom right. After you're on your settings, go to privacy. And under privacy, you should find a lot of different options. What you'll need to do is scroll down until you find advanced. Tap on advanced, and there you'll find an option that says block unknown account messages. Enable that, and now all of the messages from unknown contacts will get directly blocked. And that's basically how you can block messages from unknown contacts on WhatsApp. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye.